Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the account and payment foundation so nothing blocks transactions. Open Play Store, verify the signed-in Google account and country. Mismatches often fail payments. Next, check the card or bank supports online and international charges and any 3D secure/OTP flows. Banks block unfamiliar attempts. Once done, update Play Store and Google Play services, then clear cache to remove stale tokens. These steps remove common environmental issues, so you can test a purchase immediately. Now you act on the payment methods themselves to resolve verification errors. Remove the problematic card, then re-add it manually. This forces a fresh token and reveals address mismatches. Add a backup like Google Play Balance or PayPal so a single decline won't block a purchase. Inspect your Google Payments profile. Billing address, zip, and tax ID must match the card's bank records. If a bank decline persists, contact the issuer and request authorization, citing a Google Play transaction attempt. Finish with controlled tests and a targeted troubleshooting path so you can resolve remaining issues. Make a small trial purchase or buy a free app that triggers the payment flow to see real-time errors. This isolates authorization versus Play-side problems. If failures continue, note the Play Store error code, restart the device, and retry on a secure Wi-Fi network. If still blocked, contact the bank to check merchant category codes and ask Google support for the transaction ID. Those 2 steps usually reveal the final culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.